What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a Chevy Silverado. As you see, we have the drain plug right here, and to the left we got the oil filter. What you need is a 15mm socket and break it loose. Also use one of these band wrenches to get the filter loose like that. Twist it off a little bit until the oil starts draining out of it. Go ahead and twist off the drain plug and let it drain. There it goes. And also twist off the filter just enough for it to start leaking oil, to drain the oil out of the filter. These are a little bit awkward because the grip, you don't have that much grip getting into these. So there you go. Let it drain a bit, and then we'll plug that up, put a new filter in it. Alright, once you get a stream like that, just go ahead and tighten it back up by hand first, and then the rest with a wrench. Alright, now screw in your new oil filter. Like I said, these have really small space to work with, because the oil pan works around the filter, so you gotta work your way up, but tighten it all the way up and you should be good. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next oil change. Peace.